My name is Ricardo da Silva. We specialize in tires and wheels, and now we're integrated with complete full repair shop. Since we use Shopmonkey for my tire inventory, I noticed the simplicity to use it because when you add the tires to Shopmonkey, it's very easy. You can do the pictures, you can mark the year new or used, it's mobile, you can go back, you can check and put pictures, you can put notes on the tire, you can put the margin right there. You can do so much when you add 1, 2, 10, 100 tires. The way Shopmonkey is set up for the tire search, it's very easy. When you punch in a size, it brings me right there the new, the used, all the brands, so it's very easy to find the tire for our customer. So Shopmonkey helps us to organize our business in such a way that we don't lose profitability. In the past, our inventory was a mess, our parts department was a mess, our hours of employees were a mess, everything was a manual. Now with Shopmonkey, it helps us to keep our inventory up to date, keep my employees' hours up to date and clear, so that saves us time. I found Shopmonkey a couple years ago. They always been updating that software. It's been blessed to my business, and I hope as anyone looking for a software for run that business, I really recommend Shopmonkey.